Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Sweet and Savory Kitchen. Today's recipe is apple cream cheese breakfast bars. So I have here, I'm going to use French vanilla ready to bake cake mix, and I have cream, sugar and eggs. I'll have a complete recipe list in the description box. So what I'm going to do is take half of the cake mix and put it aside for the filling. So this is about half a cup, so I'm going to put it in a separate container, and then we're going to take the cake mix, put it into the bowl, and I have here 1/4 teaspoon of lemon zest. I'm going to add it to the cake mix, and I have here about half a cup of butter. And make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees. So we're going to mix all these ingredients together until crumbly. So this is what it's going to look like. It's all mixed together, the butter. And now I have here my pan, buttered, 9x13 pan, in which we're just going to spread it. And this is going to go in the oven for 10 minutes. So you're gonna press it down and up to the sides as well. So this is what it's going to look like now that we have spread it. Now we're going to work on the filling. And this is going to go in the oven for 10 minutes at 350 degrees. So for the filling, we're going to need cream cheese. I'm going to use this 500 grams. Half a cup of sugar, 3 eggs, half a cup of half and half cream, and about 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And now we're going to mix it really well. You can use the electric mixer if you like. And if the cream cheese is at room temperature, it's really easy to mix. So our filling is ready. Now we're going to work on the topping. Sorry, I forgot to mention, in that cream cheese mixture, we need to add the reserved cake mix and then mix it well. This is ready. Now the topping. I have here thinly sliced apples. You can use Granny Smith. This is Royal Gala. And now we're going to use 1/3 cup of sugar, the apples. Lemon zest. And sliced almonds. Half a cup. One teaspoon cinnamon and 1 teaspoon nutmeg. And nutmeg. Gonna mix it well. And our crust is ready. So this is what the cake crust is going to look like. It's ready, it's baked now. So we're going to pour in the filling. And now the topping. And this is going to go in the oven for half an hour. Look at that, our cheesecake cinnamon bars are ready. And I'm going to cut it in a slice. Just gotta make sure the sides are clear. So you just go around with a knife like this. And then we cut a piece.